Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
And we're with the Carolina Travel Channel, and we got a lot of people, our followers, saying, hey, you guys should really go down to Franklinville and try that place out. They got some really good breakfast, really good lunches. So that's where we're going. We're gonna go get out in this lovely weather and go to Franklinville, and we're gonna try their food. So here we go, guys. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's roll. Here we go. We're on our way. Fayetteville, not Fayetteville, Franklinville. That way. I hope they're open. Come all this way and they ain't open. Franklinville. I don't know where this place is. I'm guessing. Keep your eyes out. There. I think it's right there.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Is there a parking place?
On the other side.
Oh, right there, maybe. There it is. Go in here and see if it's open.
There's people in there.
Okay, let's park right here. Well, we are here. We're gonna go in here and try some bills. Park right there. The river. We'll go down by that river. There it is, Franklinville Diner. It's an old building. What is that thing? Old lodge. Hank's Lodge, 128. Don't fall, dear.
I'd be careful on.
I got you. Whoa. I think I better be careful myself. Franklinville Diner. It's Franklinville Diner. Alright. Well, this is it. Franklinville Diner. I love these old diners with the old spinny things. It's pretty cool. Well, we made it to the Franklinville Diner. We're going to try it out. Unfortunately, they don't have the hot bars, like the special, the meats, because there ain't a lot of business, which makes sense. The storm has stopped everybody from coming out. So we're going to try it. I got a Philly steak. They said it was pretty good. And Vicky, what was you getting? Chicken salad. And I love chicken salad. So we got a gallon to go. We're going to try it. So,
You didn't get no gallon.
whatever it was, they said. Thing of it. Okay, I got the Philly cheese, and that looks pretty daggone rascally good. That's what I'm saying. Onion rings. That chicken salad. I got some of that to go. The lady here was telling me, I don't know if she was the owner, but she said a lot of people come here and get that stuff to go in buckets. So I got some to go. I believe them.
In a bucket.
In a bucket. So we'll see. It probably ain't a bucket. I don't know. That looks good. Did you order tomatoes with that?
I didn't. I
That's
guess
cool.
that's just the way it came.
That's good. All right. Dig in. All right, let's try these French fried onion rings. Good taste. All right. I'm gonna taste that, and then I'll get back with you. I'll make a mess. There goes nothing. My mouth ain't big enough. Wait, don't say it. Don't do it. How dare you?
I know better.
Daggone, that's good. Oh yeah, that steak got some good taste to it.
Your mama told you not to eat with your fingers.
I can't help it. Sometimes you just got to break the rules.